Assalamualaikum. We from the group Capybara are here to discuss a worldwide issue that is called inequality. What is inequality? Inequality is the differences in chances, resources, and results among people or groups in social, economic, or political situations. In simpler terms, inequality means an unfair situation in which some people have more advantages, money, or opportunities than others.
Unfortunately, there are many issues with inequality. One of them includes income gap. Inequality in wages and economic opportunities between urban and rural areas. Other than that, there is also digital inequality. Most of the times, the B40 group lacks internet access or electronic devices. There is also employment opportunities. PWDs, women, and youth struggle to find equal employment. Another issue is unaffordable housing. This means most families cannot afford to own their own homes, especially in cities. And lastly, gender inequality. Injustice in terms of wages, maternity rights, and women's leadership.
However, we have come up with solutions for each and every one of these issues. For income gap, we could raise the minimum wage, invest in affordable housing, healthcare, and education, and we can also strengthen social safety nets. For digital inequality, we could enhance digital infrastructure, ensure affordable access to technology, and foster digital literacy and skills by going to tuitions that were hosted by the government. To increase the opportunities of employment, we could host skills and training programs, networking, and we could also make more public employment services. To make housing more affordable, we could use sustainable low-cost materials, repurpose vacant property, and host housing trust funds. To solve gender inequality, we should keep ourselves and others well educated about the situation. We should challenge traditional roles and speak up against harassment.
For your extra information, Malaysia has the highest rate of income inequality among peers nearing high income status, with intra-internet disparity being the biggest contributor despite the widely held belief that wage gaps between races are bigger, according to the World Bank's latest report released this morning.
A recent survey shows 70% of Malaysians perceive the income gap as wide, with 63% advocating urgent government action to reduce inequality. This highlights the national demand for a fair society and emphasizes the need for policies that drive equal opportunities. In conclusion, the issue of inequality is a very unnecessary problem that can be solved if we all work together. Thank you for listening to our discussion, and we hope you understand the seriousness of the situation so that we can solve this together.